we are going to show you how to make a sandwich without oven, homemade easily. Okay friends, the ingredients which we need are bread slices, circle onions and tomatoes, grilled carrots, some onions and boiled potatoes, and chili powder and salt and some butter. Okay friends, now we should add boiled potato, some chili powder, some salt and onions and some tomatoes. Now after that we should add some grilled carrot. Now we should mix them like this. Okay friends, we should add the mixture to the bread like this. Now let's add some ketchup to the bread. Okay friends, now let's add a slice of onion and a slice of tomato and close the sandwich. Okay friends, now take a pan and put on the fire and add some butter to it. Now keep the sandwich into the butter like this. Apply the butter on both sides and turn it on the both sides so it gets some roasted, crispy. Okay friends, now cut the sandwich into 2 halves. Now add some ketchup to it. Okay friends, now spread the ketchup onto the bread like this. Okay friends, our tasty sandwich is ready. Now let's taste it. Wow, it's so yummy. Okay friends, if you like our video, please do share, like and comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.